Hey guys, today's video is all about the gray dragon, otherwise known as the Alocasia Maharani. These plants are absolutely stunning. The leaves and the foliage don't even look real. Stay tuned to learn more about this jewel Alocasia Hybrid. Native to Southeast Asia, this Alocasia is actually a hybrid. Part Alocasia regionula, part Alocasia milo. Its nickname, the gray dragon, actually makes perfect sense. They may be considered a dwarf species. The leaves are actually a really good size, although these plants are slow growers. As I add more amazing, beautiful, and rare Alocasia species to my indoor jungle, I am definitely becoming better and better at caring for these plants. However, it wasn't always this way. My first Alocasia, an Alocasia poly, did go into dormancy, and I basically thought I killed it. If you haven't already seen that video, please check it out. I will throw up the link. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm Tyler, and if you like what you're seeing or you find this video to be useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, or better yet, you can subscribe to my channel. All right, let's jump right into crucial care tips for the Alocasia Maharani. So I briefly touched on dormancy, and these plants are likely to go dormant in the winter months. Less light and cooler temperatures are responsible for activating the dormancy period in these plants. It's totally normal for an Alocasia to drop its leaves and basically play dead for the dormancy period. To all my helicopter plant parents out there, just keep in mind that you don't really need to do very much to it during the dormancy period. A splash of water, maybe once a month at most, will do the trick. That aside, let's jump into light, water, fertilization, humidity, and soil conditions. I've potted my Alocasia Maharani in a container virtually the same size as the nursery pot that it came in, and that's because these plants like to have their root system nice and closed in, and on top of that, you don't really ever need to repot these plants, so something to keep in mind. I've gone ahead and used a perlite, cocoa coir, and peat moss soil mix, and my Maharani seems to be really happy with this mix. The trick with these plants is that they are high humidity plants, so keeping the humidity levels up in around the 70 to 80% is really what's going to keep these plants at their happiest, and it's truly what they want and need. I think that the gray dragon, or the Alocasia Maharani, is definitely worth this extra effort when it comes to humidity, because humidity aside, they are actually super simple and easy to care for. Otherwise, you are going to want to provide your Maharani with a good amount of bright indirect light, but no direct sunlight. As tough and scaly and rigid as the foliage is, direct sun will actually truly damage it. Keep the soil ever so slightly moist, and once the topsoil, the first inch or two, has dried out, that's a great indication that it's time for a watering. And that's basically it. Do you have any of the jewel Alocasias? And what's your thought on the gray dragon? Also, do you spell gray G-R-A-Y or G-R-E-Y? Let me know in the comments down below. Well, that's it for me. Oh yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, or hit that subscribe button, or if you really want to show me some love, choose the bell for alerts and notifications for future content. Miss you guys already. Until the next one.